Do you know you can change how you navigate your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? You can choose between buttons or swipe gestures. Let me show you how to do it. First, open setting. Scroll down and tap display. Scroll down the screen. Then tap navigation bar. Here you will see two options, buttons and swipe gesture. You can choose button to show the classic navigation bar with back, home and recent. Tap more option to change the order of the button. Go back to the preview screen. You can choose swipe gesture, so you can navigate by swiping instead of tapping buttons. For example, swipe up to go home, swipe from the side to go back, and swipe up and hold to open recent app. You can also swipe up from the bottom corner and hold to open recent apps more consistently. Here you can tap more option to block gesture with the S Pen or adjust gesture sensitivity. So given to how it works, swipe gesture give you more screen space, while buttons are easier to use if you prefer a traditional layout. So you can choose the one that fit your preference. And that's how you change the navigation bar on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.